Hindi sa araw-araw makakilala ka ng taong mas gusto pang makinig kaysa magkwento. At hindi ito yung pasok dito, labas sa kabila. I meant letting the mind chew every word, emotion, energy na siguradong naiintindihan ka muna nila bago sila magsalita. And it's not because they're smart. It's because of their character and values. I knew I found myself someone with strong values but soft character. And over the years, nasanay na kaming tanungin yung isa't isa ng, okay ka lang? And the answer slowly turned from smiles and nods into words that will either melt or break your heart. Life grew tough, and these days, a lot of things still don't make sense. Pero masaya kami sa sarili naming pacing. Sa maliit naming mundo, kung saan lahat ay totoo.